Welcome to Skill Tree. In this session, we are going to learn about date variables. Date variables are used to generate date and time in different formats. Business constraints or data constraints are predominant with the date variables. So what are these constraints? Constraints are a certain limitation in how the data is used. For example, date of birth. Date of birth can be today or less than today. A date of birth cannot be of a future date. Let's look at another example. Credit card expiry date. Credit card expiry date can be today or greater than today. It can be of future date. A credit card expiry date cannot be of a past date. In case if we are providing a past date, then the system will not accept those dates. That means the credit card is already expired. Let's look at this example. These dates are intertwined with each other, and these dates are predominant with any e-commerce applications. So there is order date, shipping date, and delivery date. Order date is the date product is ordered. Shipping date is the date the product got shipped, and delivery date is the date when the product gets delivered. Order date, so the limitation is order date has to be less than the shipping date, and shipping date should be less than the delivery date. Even if the product gets delivered on the same day or within few hours, this rule still applies to all these dates. Whenever there is a date, that date has certain constraints or certain rules around it. Let's look at an interesting exercise. What you have to do is find an Android TV and modify the date and time to a past date. Maybe 1 week less than today or 1 month less than today. And try playing any OTT applications or applications like YouTube, YouTube Music, Prime Video, Crunchyroll, all these applications. Except Netflix. I'm pretty sure YouTube or YouTube Music would not give you any results. It will keep throwing you try again or connection interrupted. But Netflix will just open fine and you'll be able to watch anything on Netflix even if there is a date mismatch. So let's see how this functions. It's the same client server architecture. So here the client is the TV. TV sends a request. Along with this request, a current date needs to be sent to the server. The server matches the date. Then server responds to the TV. If the match is successful, the server will send a success response. If the match is failed, the server is going to respond some kind of authentication failure. So why is this? Because the server strictly adheres to the time-bound, time-sensitive scenarios. This is one of them. So let's look at some of the use cases. Okay. The first is generating a timestamp. Timestamp can be employed to be added as a part of some kind of order ID where we can generate a unique order IDs every time. Another use case is calculating the time differences. Different countries are in different time zones and they follow different formats as well. The date variables can also be used to calculate the time difference between the host and the client. Next is validating the current date time fields. And finally, simulating a time-bound data entry forms, which we just saw as a TV example. Okay, those are time-bound, time-sensitive applications. There are two types of date variables. One is date variable, current date variable. Check description for the course offerings. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp us at the given number or in the given email address.